Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Douglas Local and Long Distance Movers near me. Any move above 50 miles from your current location is a long distance move. Regardless of how far your destination is, 3 Men and a Truck is well equipped to make your move stress-free and successful. We have highly organized movers who draw out a plan that contains every detail of the action and follow it strictly. Your belongings are in safe hands because our movers are cautious. They arrange, load, and secure them properly into the trucks. Our moving trucks are ideal for long-distance travel. They are of the best quality and are well maintained. We have all the authorizations and licenses to move belongings over long distances. Our drivers are professionals. They are obedient to highway rules and regulations. We transport your belongings to you on time with every one of your items in their original condition. For moves less than 50 miles, we are your best choice. Although local relocations are easier to execute, a solid moving plan is needed. Our local moving services are fast, efficient, and affordable. We are the best and swiftest movers in Douglas, Georgia. Our customers have positive testimony of our impeccable record. We offer the cheapest local moves of hourly rates of $30 to $40. We have an incredible insurance policy that covers risk throughout the movement. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Douglas moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.